Message on the video da a very serious message. Ka take a wonder. Mu we ka ja. But chen cho da mention ka video da. But ko nyin ka ta ko wi mon da ka gwe ke ni ideal. Be we jak ba chier ba ling beram ling tung nuara gwa berawa jagreide ramal wadamo salaram ko attack but the issue me chefenien ke 2 days karam penenien te jen yumon chamot kel ko kon so talata na bo gor telephone ramo bang ba bela wa yat phone chawa attack but bora luin free ko dung ramen ko la penien ke this today is the second day u baramo baranyo ko luin kanga so chen gur ko biye ka bi ka ka dum te wi mo that will be okay me tell masi la ban ngadi yat phone what going on they at plan to me danelat de kam advisor de ngod ma de do but chien ka te ka minyira karam ci do te ga wi mon kel ka jinda manan masi de biye wajek shibru cha benga na pan okay ko war the same time kan choro nyoka benga jama kwara la jey ni ne we ci luin ka masi de jin biye wajek goro boro luin ko ne mete wi mon tale ngi issue ka je kama me jeno the problem ka ma meta dulwan cha yo daga to check on me mete dulwan so I'm okay, I will be okay and you will be okay, but sorry I'm academic, I'm so sorry for that, and this is the main reason in boro ring ka je ko no we ben hamo wonna okay. So message da manan bo ko jishin to mention because I don't know what's going on. I have no idea. But the message is very clear. Message is very clear. Chabana today is second day. Then dia ja roda ka jamo. Kula right ka ham. Because I don't go to being not. Jemen to ko na wonung tan which kel ngoda tere ka Melbourne. De yot pon ma bala man ta kan delete jare ma bala da so de chu yot pon de si jung chu to de la da bat ko che jen ba jo no kwen kwa bi we jam demandan man do adu che ben ngo pan ka ta yok wo ta ngwan ka kon ba ka gwa jin jele yene chek do dien already ti chek do dien yalla ni kay jakan mi cha ciego ma nga ciegdu ja ka jan nga ciegdu jël yen kel de dop la yen la nga char yam la wa jal ki chuk but ciegen jël yen kel she comfortable wo by nen kel she comfortable wo jen by nen ana du pa jël yen kel ki mando aruban chole ji lingi jawde bada la ci kan jël yen kel ca jaw mando aru shelling jël ke bi de mi char ma bi muslim ni ci wude no kom ne pin ke du muslim ni manan la yaay chole ni ki shodu ku ignore ci gori village ci ma janu kudu bat ci comfortable ca jaw mando aru shelling ba ling jaw mando aru ku mando aru ku la ignore lu wojin bi nok lo wo bi village ano amana min that cha breakdown cha mol ke cha ya pin cha we me cha we should mention gwa ko dalwa ken should bla toda cha wodo ngai je ku ili je ke should yan fin do ngai je chin te de so ko kwidu cha ban ya wo ka ku ba should yan sin yo ngu nyamagwa chanji Nyanchiew gura dong ha je dong ha je te da ke liwi chin da kame guje cha ga ka kutung parwi then there are government tears there are judge I don't know what she mean but then she got kutung parwi the same thing ma dia rodam ta toja we be mo ko point yang ri de man nin okay wearing short but cho da je cho kon de cha luck the same thing can you repeat please I beg you my brother please I'm on my knees and my heart mite minga ji melade nen man do aruji ka ci loy de test ka ji ko kuyi no kwai je ngulu da mo ce tek da so ko kuidu du ngay je ce tek de te tek ke liuda kami du ngay je guje ci gat ka guje ci ko ngala jo guje ci gat ka ci ko tum lo parwi it's so painful I don't know what going on kwai me lorode but please I'm on my knees don't do it kidin ci ci ni man an tuyi ya tino a thick relationship ko chawda is wrong come on ko kondial nuoro kondi Melbourne all of us ci kondial jalkel ki ci kondial miskel don't do this please I'm doing this video because I want her peace please I'm on my knees ba mo nga yalpin tay loida please gura please don't do this yang nyama ko toy kamal please don't tingen kuni ya lat tinga yin ko chicken the shoulder kan ngin kenda I have no idea but she's not happy chole ju ku la ignore already gone te cheng mo dong chi ma jal nga jaken mi cha but she comfortable ka jal ka jikel don't ignore her la chede ga ka ji please chede ga ka ji I don't know what you mean wo du ngai je shin tik da ke liu de so ko kuide guje cha gat ka de we la ro guje cha gat ka tung parui so please chagwa adwar okay please this is not good respect your wife again even though tin yin to kong di la please ramen chi jen a heartbroken don't do it don't do it don't do it chabi please you go to balwinga ka the same message that's why I'm doing that's why I message me la ko this ko ngai je be wi shop you go to ben yokanen but tiere nyoko ben ka a jam loide e ko wo chi loide che test kiji it's breaking my heart to loide you people will not understand I'm sure you understand but please the mark please mini nyur ko bidune chano guta me chana me ngode ka tik we ro ngubelelo please so disappointed I'm very sure she believe in you Meteteka I believe she trusts you that why la jene do ngata je chin tik de keliu I don't know ngulu damo I don't know ngulu damo but please you reng kwang kyo map mini cha think sorry chang kwang kyo map mu ro kata mini cha o ko ngun larta ko ngu balel spirit daga ka ji ko je ngulu damo tik de keliu che kami ko je ngulu damo du ngai je tik de keliu che da tu ku du che da kami This is the word and put my heart broke. You try to go. The word and I'm a cup. Chẳng có cho cái chuyện đó lại cho là ngay nhan rồi. Chẳng có cho lên nhan rồi. Oh God. Look, please. Chẳng có bao nhiêu cái này là bên nó giang lời. I don't want it. I don't want it. Chẳng có, please. I don't want it. Whatever you are doing in the Nyanchiew, it's wrong. Please. It's too early for all this. I know something is wrong somewhere. That's why my sister come to me. Okay? That's why I know something is wrong somewhere. Please. 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 And please, I beg you in the name of God, please. Can I go to the okay? Yeah. Can I go? Please. I'm sorry. Going on is not fair. It's not fair. Yeah, this is not fair. It's not fair. Please, good God, please. Please. Please, something is wrong somewhere. Don't hide it. Because we don't know. Please. Something is wrong. I know her. You're booking her for 2 days for no reason with the same message, the same clothes to wear. This is something. Please. Please. I beg you. Please. Please. Please, I beg you, please. Shouldn't go to Balloon because it's the same, like, please, the video about Gak. I'm not doing this for fun. I'm going wrong, go wrong. You don't understand. If you tell me wrong, you don't know what you don't know. To me, it's sad. Chabonga for no reason. Chabonga for no reason. Something wrong, kafana de. Something wrong somewhere. I don't fight again. Ye don't go there on us. I'm not going to bend it. Mete do no but I'm by message. And that's why I'm begging for 2 days today. Today is the second day. With the same message. With the same message. The same message. The same message. Something is wrong. Somewhere. Because something is wrong, not with anybody. Something wrong with one door, I check. Yes, she doesn't feel comfortable with fish. You will not feel comfortable. Shame on you. I know who you are, I'm no space. I can't go to Jiladi Jinga. And I know you in person too. I know clearly. I know clear. But shame on you. It was last month. How could you? How could you? How could you do this? How? Why? How could you? Please, Chanyedi. Chẳng quan cửa mặt. Mỗi được cái time to think. Chả để làm chỉ riêng như muốn. Cởi xiếc đây à ngạc. Mà là đưa please go correct. Chứ nó go to bị bao nhiêu mà nhiều cái này là but broke down. Go to power, go to GN. I should ring a place. I shouldn't go like that. I shouldn't go like that. Maladwer, please, please. Don't come to a mouth. Correct yourself. Yan na nyama word mete mo mo. Mani spirit na bangay. Don't chew me chura balot ka jibalat. A worse mete mo mo ka I believe the minute yeda gwada ma jatin. Chura ba mo ka problem. Isa ay bulong ka lokten. Nyama word. Nyama word. Do not tell me nganya balia. Video da baka. You know, twist twist, I don't really care. I want to free myself. I want to free. Go to bottom free. Go ta take her. Yen kula ben ka ko ba masi kula baling through me. Yen japak. Ja video the baling ra. Okay? That's why I'm doing this video. Ta take her. Any man. She know me. She trusts me. She loves me. I love her. She no work operation. She no yoda. No wanga ret. Yen say do what? And I was in the hospital too. You're going to America and then go to Nyanchiew. Nyanchiew, you will be okay. Indeed, I make it, but she didn't make it. Please, be careful. Be careful. And Yamingwa, Tony Mat.